Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. To do this, first open up Coinbase and click Transfer at the bottom. From here, select Send Crypto and pick the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer to your wallet. I'm going to select Solana. Now, you will need to paste in your Coinbase wallet address for the cryptocurrency you picked. To find that, open up the Coinbase Wallet app. In Coinbase Wallet, click on the search icon at the top and search for the cryptocurrency that you selected on your Coinbase account. In my case, that is Solana, so I'll search for Solana here. Next, select Solana, making sure to pick the correct one. You may see different wrapped versions, but just select Sol. Then, click on Receive and copy the address. Go back to Coinbase, click Paste from Clipboard and select the address. Now, choose how much you want to send. I'll click Max. Here, you can select who you're sending to. If it's your wallet, click Sending to Myself and enter a purpose for the transfer. Once you click Continue, you will see the final confirmation screen. Now, click Send Now and verify the transaction by entering the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. After doing that, you will see the confirmation message. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.